The hell are you doing? We're not supposed to show any of our trade secrets. Nobody knows how to do this stuff. You're giving it away.
Yep, I know.
No more videoing. Exciting. All this work to here.
We're selling it!
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs. If you like what you see, comment down below. Please subscribe and share. Behind me is the 1952 Ford F1. It is coming along great. We are pushing to hit the deadline. It is going to be tough, but all I can say is the guys are doing the best that they can, and it is coming along phenomenally. Let me show you where we are. Okay, I wish I could show you the seats over at Rags. They are beautiful, but the entire radiator is in. We did find a hose that works out perfectly. The spalled cooling fans are in. We did add something to make life easier. We added a jump spot for this. Basically what that is if they need to jump this vehicle or jump another vehicle, you have a positive and a negative terminal right under the hood like in a conventional truck. As you know, the battery's in the rear, but right now, boom, that is what that is for. All the wiring is done. The brakes, Zach did a wonderful job. The brakes are completed. They are bled. They are ready to go down the road. Sound deadening mat is in. The column is installed. We bought a brand new steering wheel that will be going on. Gauges are in. The radio is in, and it does fire up and everything. We have the entire floor, and it's a mess in there right now, but we have the entire floor panelized out for carpet. So everything is done right to the 1/4 of an inch. So Matt can cut the carpet, get it installed. As you know, the battery's in the back, the Optimum battery, beautiful. All of the fuel tank and sending units and fill neck is completed in full. LED lights completed, wired, doing great. Anyway, I can go I'm sorry. Anyway, I can go on and on and on and on. But all I can say is it's coming along great. Now, you'll see some footage on us finishing the side panel. This is about as clean as you can get. Very beautiful. This will take and brighten up the interior of the truck. The headliner will be the exact same color. The seats are in a beautiful cinnamon. That is an awesome panel there. We'll do the second one on Monday and it'll be ready to go. But this is just a beautiful, beautiful truck. Driving lights, low beam, high beam, low beam, driving lights. In we go. See some of that work. Okay, we bought some chrome paint. See if it looks like chrome. It doesn't look like what you would expect as a traditional chrome, but it is much better than the paint out of spray bombs that we used. Almost looks like an unpolished stainless steel. Got a little bit of dust in there, we'll have to get out. But anyway, so review on chrome paint. On this particular one, it does not look like chrome. However, it looks much better than spray bombs. We'll have to color sand them, polish them, and they'll look even better. On to the next step.
I was saying I wanted a shot from underneath.
Well, we put it up there just for you.
Right? Nice. Makes you guys' life a little easier, huh?
Yeah. Don't video the under part of this. It's way too clean for people to see it. What the hell are you doing? We're not supposed to show any of our trade secrets. Nobody knows how to do this.
Right?
Legendary Customs' specialty is making things brand new, fit old stuff. You're giving it away. Stop.
Yep, I know,
No
right?
more videoing.
I will do that. To hold it in?
Hold it in. Alright, let that one go. Okay, thank you.
Alright, I'm at Napa, making a run for Zack and Chris. We have low fuel pressure right now on the 52 Ford. We're trying to get things started, and here to get a part, see if we can get things figured out. Alright, they had what I needed, so back to the shop, see if we can get this figured out. Well, I left to get the fuel injector pressure tester, and I came back and it's running. Turning everything off.
Everything that it's supposed to do. Almost all the paint is burned off the exhaust manifold, so that's no longer smoking at us. It's doing what it's supposed to do so far. A couple quirks, we'll get them figured out with Holly and get this thing on the road. Exciting. All this work to here. We have a running engine. Fans turn on when they're supposed to be. Everything is working awesome right now. Had a couple of hiccups, figured them out. Air fuel ratio mixture needed to be changed. Easy stuff. Oh, it's the battery charger. Anyway, so we got it up and running. The next step for this bad boy, take it up to Matt at Rags, have the interior installed, and take it out for a drive. It is April 21st. Yeah.
May.
Oh, May 21st. Yeah. I've lost an entire month. Anyway, we want to get this to the East Coast as quick as possible. But we want to do it right, so we are on that path. Tomorrow is to figure out a couple more quirks, make sure that we got it going in the right direction, and drive this thing down the road. Might even have to do it on a 5-gallon bucket. I don't know if that's safe or not, but we might have to do that. Anyway, proud of the guys. They brought it a long way. It is looking gorgeous. It is sounding excellent. Dual exhaust. Oh. Beautiful. Anyway, the long and the short is, we've come a long way. If you just tuned in for the very first time, go back with the other episodes and check out how far this thing has come. Chris and Jody, your vehicle sounds wonderful. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait to drive this thing. Air shocks are in, so we can adjust the leveling of the back. There's just so much that we've accomplished to date. And I am so proud of the guys. Zach, Jeff, Nate, amazing job. Looking beautiful. Chris, Jody, you're gonna love it. Anyway, if you like what you've seen so far, keep tuning in, so much more to come. When the interior gets installed, this thing is gonna turn a big corner. Just so much more to come. If you have something in your garage that you have been waiting to get to and just haven't gotten to it, send us an email. We'll see if we can get you into our schedule. We will do the simplest projects to major projects. Anyway, thank you for joining us. Keep watching. We appreciate you.